Hi, my name is Victor Moscow. I'm a senior vice president here at Bechtel. My favorite thing about Bechtel is how it is family run and how the sense of family is felt throughout our company. The family owned aspect of Bechtel was a big value for Warren A. Bechtel when he started the company back in 1898. The value kept going till now. Following the start in 1898, some key contracts started to build up our reputation. These include the Kalama Highway in Northern California, which was constructed in 1919, Hoover Dam in 1931, which was our first mega project, first nuclear reactor in 1949. These projects were the building blocks that made Bechtel a nationally known company. From 1949 on, Bechtel continued expansion into many industries such as pipeline construction, airport construction, and power plant construction. In 1980, Bechtel had about $11.3 billion dollars in revenue, with crews working on 132 major projects in 20 countries. Currently, Bechtel is focusing on long-term economic and environmental sustainability while continuing its value as a family-owned company.
Nice, man.
How's it going, guys? My name is Matt Barron. I'm a project manager here at Bechtel. I'm here to talk to you about our current projects. We are doing a metro in Saudi Arabia, and it is one of the biggest metros that will help revolutionize transport here in Saudi Arabia. We actually won a contract worth $10 billion to design and build these two rails. Another project we're doing is the Gabon National Infrastructure Project in Gabon, Africa, and this is a great social advancement for the economic growth of Africa. We're actually working with the government of Gabon and developed a $25 billion plan for infrastructure and a new public works system. One of the most current projects we're doing is actually going to finish in 2017 is the Chernobyl shelter of confinement in Ukraine, and this is actually a safe enclosure of the reactor that destroyed the landscape for at least a century. It's one of the biggest nuclear disasters in the history of the world, and we're figuring something out to figure that out, so yeah.
Hi, my name is Rachel Kovar and I am the CEO at Bechtel. Here at Bechtel, we have a unique procurement process that starts with establishing strong relationships with developers early on. In order to make our process work, we have a team of over 2,400 experienced employees. Within this team, we have separate departments to work at all stages. Our process starts with contract management and continues all the way until the job is complete and the owner is satisfied. We utilize many innovative supply chain solutions followed by complex executions. By keeping this process internal, we are able to control our inventory, purchasing, and supplier diversity, quality, and inspections. By doing so, we can ensure that we are able to keep the owner informed throughout the process with valid information. Our process allows us not only to build relationships with developers, but we are able to establish relationships with the manufacturers and suppliers, which are just as important to us as the relationships we have with the developers. We know our process is successful since we continue to have over $18 billion in expenditures using suppliers from over 120 different countries annually.
Long day. Hi, I'm Nick Bame, and I'm a project manager here at Bechtel. Here at Bechtel, we have 4 different sectors that are our main scopes of work. Those include infrastructure, which is the transport, power, clean water, and communications in and between our communities. Our oil and chemical natural gas division, which we actually happen to be the global leader in the integrated design, procurement, construction, and project management of oil, chemical, and natural gas facilities. Our nuclear security and environmental team does a whole number of work which range from chemical weapons, demilitarization of projects, missile defense, scientific and national security facility operations, commercial and U.S. Navy nuclear reactor services, procurement, and project management of environmental restoration and recovery. We also have a mining and metals division, which we've completed hundreds of major projects across 6 continents, enabling our customers to produce everything from aluminum to zinc. And we have extensive experience in mining and metal projects worldwide. We're equipped to handle the most challenging projects the world has to offer.
Hi, I'm Matt Baldessari, and I'm the Chief Sustainability Officer at Bechtel Corporation. My job is to ensure that Bechtel continues to grow and provide our customers with what they want and need in the future. This is what we call sustainability, the ability to grow and adapt, which at this point in history is more important than ever. In the next 100 years, there will be 9.6 billion people living on this planet, which means a huge increase in the demand for energy and shelter. More people also produce more pollution, which causes countless problems for our environment. Here at Bechtel, we are working to find solutions to these types of large-scale problems so we are able to have the luxuries we want while protecting the environment we need. We are very involved in many developing green energy industries, including solar, nuclear, liquefied natural gas, and combined cycle gas plants. This helps us to be prepared to meet any demand in the future while still upholding our responsibility to protect our planet today.
My name is Stefan Olson, and I'm a superintendent here at Bechtel. With projects, people, and offices in more than 40 countries, Bechtel is a global construction leader, and our knowledge of construction is unmatched. Our projects are typically complex in nature, with the involvement of thousands of workers and millions of dollars in material and equipment. When contracted with Bechtel, world-class expectations are set from contract all the way to commission, including managing of your bids and contract negotiation, oversight of management, materials, and contractors. Our construction practice and field administration is unmatched. Commissioning and maintenance are also done by us. Bechtel has the resources and knowledge to undertake just about any job. That's our slogan, and that's what we live by.
My name is John Sematis, and at Bechtel, I'm a project engineer. Our mission is simple: to deliver landmark projects that create long-term progress and economic growth. Bechtel is built upon time-tested values of excellence and integrity. This means working on the highest ethical standards and being measured by the enduring quality of our projects. Year after year, we are among the safest companies in our industry. We are committed to leaving a legacy of progress by developing local skills for sustained economic opportunity and volunteering our time and talent to the communities where we work. Quality work reduces cost, improves schedule, and in doing so, satisfies our customers. We believe in achieving quality by making solid decisions based on facts, identifying issues before they occur, and promptly fixing problems should they materialize, and inspiring every person in a project to, as we say every day, to do it right the first time. Sustainability is delivered in our projects using a full spectrum approach that involves our core engineering, procurement, and construction functions and strategic services.
My name is Nick Rom, and I'm a senior project manager at Bechtel. A lot of our first projects were mostly railroad projects in the western United States. After a few years, we started to take on more road, bridge, and highway projects. In January 1931, Bechtel won a $49 million contract, equivalent to $860 million in today's dollars, to build the Hoover Dam on the border of Nevada and Arizona. Built during the Great Depression, the Hoover Dam was essential in providing cheap electricity and a lot of work for people in need. After the Gulf War, Bechtel capped 650 damaged oil wells in just less than a year. Experts predicted this would take almost 5 years to complete, but with the help of 16,000 workers, Bechtel was able to restore oil production to pre-war capacity. In 1994, Bechtel completed work on the Channel Tunnel, a 32-mile-long undersea tunnel spanning the English Channel. Bechtel took over work in the late 1990s when project progress slowed down, and in 2013, a record 20.5 million people rode the train.
Hi, I'm Joe Costa. As a proud partner of Bechtel, it is an honor to say that Bechtel is the world's leading organization in engineering, construction, and project management. We have accomplished this through a number of ways, which include, but are not limited to, earning a fair return on the value we deliver, building satisfying careers for our people, and achieving extraordinary results in our customers. Building positive, long-term relationships with our customers has allowed for us to get returning clients as we are trusted. Applying world-class technology, we continuously seek improvement and innovation. Incorporating our core values of integrity, safety, and quality makes it easy for us to succeed in the construction industry.